I know, it's been a hot minute. I know, actually, it really hasn't been. It feels like it's been a while, but I actually looked, it's been a month. It just feels like it's been longer than that. I would love to explain why, but I can't. I can go into detail in a later video, but right now I cannot. But I have something right here that I really wanted to show you guys. This is something I keep putting in my Amazon cart and pulling it out, putting it in, it's one of those things. And I have oh, you can't see him. My little sidekick here that doesn't matter what I'm doing, he's normally with me. Yes. He is a typical orange cat. He causes lots of mischief and mayhem. Anyway, so I've been doing this with these items for years. And I finally just said, you know what, enough's enough. I'm gonna buy them. There will be some videos that come from these. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna do it. Okay. I don't know how well you guys can see because I got the light on there because it's kind of overcast for some reason. All of a sudden it starts snowing. It can go away. I'll have to check in when I'm editing. Julia's Kitchen Wisdom, Essential Techniques and Recipes from a Lifetime of Cooking. I have been in love with Julia Child for a very long time. So there's the one. And of course, there's a box, so there's gotta be a cat, right? Yes, there's gotta be a cat. There's gotta be a cat. And then the French Chef Cookbook by Julia Child. I'm leaving the best one for last. I opened the box, but I hadn't actually looked at anything last night, and my eyes are bugging me so much. I should have my glasses on, but stop it. So I can't really see these all that well at the moment, but I will be going through these. And then of course the last one, that pumpkin, is just absolutely obsessed with. Why? Because it's covered in bubble wrap. Oh, they really made sure. Okay, it's the Julia Child's, Mastering the Art of French Cooking. I got both volumes 1 and 2, so I have the series. I have been putting these in and out of my cart for years. And like I said, I finally just said, you know what, enough's enough. I'm gonna get them. Now, will I be able to make the recipe straight the way they are? No. No, I will not. I will need to alter them because I'm assuming there is a lot of flour in a lot of these and, like, stuff like that. So again, I thought that would be some fun videos because, let me see if I can just get one of these out. Okay. Let's take a look here. Oh God, it's gorgeous. Look at it. It's beautiful. Whew, goodness, these are small writing. It's probably not small writing, but to me it is. Right, like I wear glasses for reading. That one has mussels, wine, butter, flour. So again, there's flour in there. Butter, flour. It should be fairly easy to change. Oh, this is mussels and sauce. Or morsels, they call them in here. Yeah, every recipe. Oh, my eye. I'm sorry, guys. Like I said, my eyes are really bugging me today. every recipe I'm flipping through here, it has some kind of flour in it. So I will, oh, ooh, fair bit of onions too. But anyway, so I'll have to be doing some altering. What do you guys think? I'm thinking this is going to be a little series that we might do. Picking some recipes from here and cooking them and doing the altering. But I will let everybody know. Videos from me for the next probably 3 or 4 months are going to be here and there. They're going to be sparse because I've got a lot on my plate right now. It potentially could be why my eyes switching, but also it's because of a few other things. Like I said, my eyes are clearly bothering me today. But I've got a lot on my plate for the next few months. I'm going to be very busy, so videos are going to be extremely sparse. There might be a video, you know, today, and there might be another one tomorrow. It kind of deal, like it might work out that way, but I don't know. We're just gonna have to wait and see how this ride goes. Like I said, in a later video, I can explain things a little bit better, but right now, I can't, just for reasons. And I gotta figure out, like sitting here looking at the camera, I gotta figure out what I'm doing with this. Don't you love that? Where you're in that, like, do I chop my hair off or do I grow it out? I'm thinking I'm probably gonna go and get it chopped off again. But that's okay. So the next time you see me, I might have my hair cut off. But yes, I'm doing okay for everyone who is asking. I'm really busy. And like I said, I needed to, sorry, people were walking by my house very, very slow and staring at it. Not sure why, I'm gonna have to take a look later. I did have to take some time off because, like I said, a family member had passed away. And, sorry, Pumpkin keeps knocking the box into my arm. A family member passed away, and it did trigger some, it triggered an emotional response for me for my dad passing away. And then a few other things happened. Then of course everybody knows Tracy passed away. I'm gonna say this, I'm glad that she is now at peace, because like as some of you guys know, we talked pretty much daily, and then probably about a month before, it was when it became like, you know, every other day, every week kind of thing. So I'm happy she's no longer in pain. But again, I had to take a little time for that because that just, whew. Anyway, just a lot has been going on. And a lot is going to continue going on. So I hope everyone just holds on for a little while, and then I can explain what everything is going on. And this little cutie here, I'm serious, like, how could you not? Like, just look at him. Just look at the little mayhem. Oh. Okay, but yeah. I do not know if my camera picked that up, but that was my dog's stomach if it picked it up. She goes in these little, I'm not going to eat things. She's done it ever since we rescued her, so the vets aren't concerned about it. Okay, anyway, I feel like I'm babbling at this point, but I'm going to go grab my glasses. Actually, no, I'm not. I am going to go grab my glasses and put them on, but not for, I'm going to be reading through some of these and figuring out what recipe I should pick first. What recipe do you guys think I should pick first? I really, really want to do her beef bouillon. I said that wrong. I really, really, really want to do that, but for some reason that actually scares me. I don't know why, it just does. Anyway, gonna go get my glasses on. Maybe that will help get the pain in my eye here. Joyce, I'm not wearing your glasses for so long. But anyway, I'm doing okay for everyone who keeps asking me. I promise, I'm good. I will be back at some point. But just for now, they're gonna be very sparse and I have to be very vague about what's going on. So until next time, I hope everyone's good. I hope everyone's snow is disappearing. For some reason, it's snowing here right now. And let me know what you guys think. What recipe should I pick first? Okay, so until next time, we'll talk soon. Bye.